Today's recipe, 1 pot chole rice. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. Me Mukta Nagaraj. Feel like eating chole biryani, but no time to make an elaborate biryani. So, thought of making a simple chole rice. As the first ingredient, oil into the pan and some butter. When the butter starts melting, I am going to add the whole Garam Masala. When you start getting the aroma of it, I am going to add in sliced onions. When this is little translucent, I am going to add in the ginger garlic paste. With this, I am going to add the spices. I am adding a little bit of turmeric. I am using Chole Masala here. And little bit of Chilli Powder. At this stage, I am going to reduce the flame so that the masalas don't burn. I am going to add in the tomato puree. And few mint leaves. I'm going to add in the salt. I'm using canned chickpeas here. Since I thought of eating right away, I didn't have the time to soak and to cook. So I'm using the canned chickpeas. Now is the time to add water. I am adding 1.5 cups of water. Now I've increased the flame. At this stage, you can even taste, and if you need some spice or some salt, you can add it. This is fine with this. Now this has started boiling. At this stage, I'll add in the rice. I've washed and kept. It's time to close the lid. We shall wait for 1 whistle. Now the cooker is cool. As I have told you in my previous recipe, loosen the rice with a fork, then the rice won't become mushy. Yum! The chole rice is ready to eat. I'm having chole rice with some buttermilk.